Quiz? Fruits, Part 2. Let's test your fruit knowledge. Ready? Let's go.
Question number 1. Which of these is rumman? Is it the apple or is it the pomegranate? That's right. Amazing work. It is the pomegranate. Keep going, you're doing great. Question number 2. Now, which of these is ijas? Is it the pear or the kiwi? Yes, brilliant. Ijas is the pear. You're really getting the hang of this. Question number 3. Okay, which of these is batih? Could it be the watermelon or the pineapple? Answer-tastic. That's correct. Batih is the watermelon. You're on fire. Question number 4. All right, which of these is ananas? Is it the apple or is it the pineapple? Awesome. Yes, you're right again. Ananas is the pineapple. Keep it up. You're doing so well. Question number 5. Which of these is kiwi? Is it the kiwi or the lemon? Yes, you've got it. Kiwi is the kiwi. You're absolutely smashing it. Last one. Which of these is lemon? Is it the pear or is it the lemon? Amazing finish. Lemon is indeed the lemon. Fantastic job. You've done brilliantly today.
Thanks for watching. Watch for Arabic videos by qualified teachers. Test your understanding with the free online quiz, link in the description. Watch more vocab videos with attached exercises for free. Until next time, take care and keep learning.